My name is Brian Seitel and I'm from Temecula, California. My company's called RV Supercenter. We've been in business since 2004. We sell new and used recreational vehicles, predominantly travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes. I love living in Temecula, California. We have the wineries right here. We like it because we're close to San Diego, the beautiful beaches, and we can also get to the mountains and the snow in about an hour's time. Now come inside and I'll show you guys around. So this front building here, we selected the gray color primary framing. As you can see, we also went with the straight columns over here. We chose the galvanized girts and to go 16 on center, so we could sheet the inside of the building with drywall and the outside with 1/2-inch plywood, and then finish it with stucco and stone. We also went with the R38 insulation in the roof with the band and tarp. That particular product is superior to any house here with only R30, so we like that. But we have the framed openings, so we actually have storefronts that are just like you'd see in any other shopping center that you go to. So the stone that we chose came after our meetings with the city when they required the stone. It's pretty expensive, but we chose the Coronado product. It's a stone that they sell, and we had to put it on all columns. I think we have 8 total columns, 4 here and 4 in the front, and we wrapped all our steel columns with stucco and stone, so they look pretty cool. We went with a standing seam metal roof. We like that product. We like the way it looks, and it's got a 25-year warranty on it, so we're excited about that. The canopy that you see behind me here, this is our service drive, which it's actually 48 feet wide, which we're excited about. Originally, again, that was only going to be 16 or 20 feet, and once we understood city code, the fire truck is now allowed to go underneath the canopy in case of a fire. So we extended that out all the way almost to the landscape and to the property line. So that's going to fit almost 3 recreational vehicles, whereas before it would only be 1. So that's going to be great for traffic and flow for us. So the city required us to have stone and stucco on the exterior of the building. We were not allowed to use the standard metal siding. So we sheeted everything with plywood, and we did a 3-stage stucco, and some areas even had to have stone. So this is the product we chose. It's every detail is a little different around the building, but we used a 2x6 foam on top of the stone to kind of trim it out, and it looks pretty good. We like it. You just have to box around the primary framing, and it looks like that. So.